it going? So Dan here with the Regular Guy Garage. Been making a bunch of progress on the 2002 Camaro SS build, which is really important that I get it finished because then I can actually get my 2017 Whipple supercharged Camaro up at my little work spot up here, and then I can start tearing that thing apart. And I know that's what a lot of people want to see. But for now, got the front suspension completely finished up on the 2002 Camaro. Back on four wheels. I was just waiting on some parts for the transmission, which I actually got in today. So I have a basic gasket and seal kit for the 4L60E. And then a common problem on the 4L60E transmission is the 3/4 clutch pack burning up. So I got a new 3/4 clutch pack. Mine is actually not burning up per se, but I do have some of these tabs that are breaking off. They're not broken off, but they're starting to, you know, some of them are like half gone. So I just went ahead and ordered a replacement kit. Now I know a lot of guys out there have been saying, don't waste your time in the 4L60E, get the 4L80, whatever. And that's great. I understand the 4L80 is a much superior transmission and can hold power much better than 4L60E. The thing is, this cost me 50 bucks. So, you know, a 4L80 is going to cost me probably well over $1,000 unless, you know, there's a deal somewhere, you know, but it's still going to cost me several $100s. Whereas, like I said, right now the goal is get the car back on the road, which once I finish this, we're actually there. But for now, I mean, 50 bucks, can't really go wrong. I've never rebuilt the transmission before, so this is the first for me. I tore it apart about a month ago to check it out, and I haven't touched it since, so should be interesting. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so the weather's kind of getting a little shady. I am under an awning in my backyard, but you know, I just wanted to finish it up before the heavy rain came. So I got the 3/4 clutch pack inside the transmission, got all new gaskets on, got everything torqued down. The transmission is ready to go. So next step from here is to get it back out in front. Luckily it's light and I can just hand carry it. Not that it's light, but I mean I can hand carry it. So we're gonna go ahead, get the torque converter filled up with fluid, stuck in there, and then go ahead and shove it in the car, and hopefully this weekend we should be taking it for our first ride, which, I mean, moment of truth, I'm pretty confident in my mechanical abilities, but we'll see. Anyway guys, as you can see, oil pressure in the car very good, seeing about 50 pounds at idle, about 60 when I actually rev the engine a little bit. I haven't really put it anywhere over 2,500 RPMs right now, very light blip with the throttle. Engine's running good, has a little bit of an idle surge, but once we actually take the car to get it tuned, we'll see what the log's doing. If anything, it might be like an idle air control valve or something. I didn't touch any of that stuff, I just slapped it all back on, so we'll see if maybe that caused an issue. With the exception of that, I'm excited to get this car finally finished. This way I can get the green car, the supercharged Camaro, up into that slot, and then probably start getting going on that thing soon. For those who don't know, it does have a Whipple supercharger. But it's still on the stock engine, so the plan for that would be pistons, camshaft, heads, fuel system, and probably if I pull the engine it would be clutch also, but and long tubes. Aside from that, I mean, that thing will be ready to go and I'll be able to start actually beating on it. The reason I've been, relatively conservative with it for now is because I'm not trying to blow the engine up just yet. I know it's a conservative tune with the Whipple, not the conservative tune from Whipple, but you know, I'm being cautious because I have blown an engine in my, or two, actually a few, in, you know, my lifetime being around cars. So anyway, that's what to look out for with this build. If you guys like what you see, be sure to give the video a like. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. My Instagram @regularguygarage. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.